Hello, dear friends. We will continue our previous lecture of cell and molecular biology. So, we will see now DNA and RNA, what the DNA are and what the RNAs are. Previously, we have seen up to the 12th science that DNA, that is deoxyribonucleic acid, and RNA only ribonucleic acid. So we will study in details about the nucleic acids in unit number 3. We will start new unit. First topic of the unit is salient features of DNA and RNA. So salient features of DNA and RNA are quite similar because DNA and DNA is double stranded and RNA is single stranded, but arrangement of purines and pyrimidines or the base pairs is about same 90%. Instead of adenine, thymine, guanine and cytosine, there instead of thymine there is uracil in RNA. Remaining thing is same. We'll see here one by one. The highly purified DNA extracted from a wide variety of plants, animals, bacteria and viruses has been found to be complex and macromolecular or polymeric polymeric chemical compounds which contains 4 kinds of smaller building blocks, or we can say monomers, called as deoxyribonucleotides, or we can say deoxyribonucleotides, because deoxyribonucleotides is the old name and deoxyribonucleotides is the new name or recent name. We can call it as a DNA. Each deoxyribonucleotide is made up of 3 moieties. Which are those? One is the phosphoric acid molecule, we biologically called as phosphate sugar. Second, a pentose sugar called as 2-deoxyribose, and pyrimidine and purine nitrogenous bases. These are the adenine, guanine, cytosine and uracil, or we say thymine. 4 major kinds of nitrogenous bases have been found in 4 kinds of deoxyribonucleotides of DNA, and 2 are heterocyclic and 2 are ringed purines. That is adenine, we symbolize it as A, and guanine we symbolize it as G, and 2 are one ring pyrimidine, cytosine C and thymine T. So these are one ringed, cytosine and thymine, whereas adenine and guanine are 2 ringed. So these are the single ring structures. These are single ring structures and these are double ring structures. So they have 2 rings. So this is the chemical structure of the base pairs, or we can say deoxyribose, and this is the chemical formula of deoxyribose. Single ring is there. So chemical formula of adenine, or we generally call it as 6-aminopurine, and its molecular weight is 135.13 daltons and have 2 rings, one hexagonal ring, second pentagonal ring. So chemical formula of guanine have 2-amino-6-hydroxypyrines and its molecular weight is 151.13 daltons and have double ring. So one hexagon and second pentose ring, or we can say 2 double rings simply. Chemical formula of cytosine, and we have seen that thymine and cytosine are single ringed. So these are the 2 molecules, whereas this numbering of carbon atoms in these rings given in this way from first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. Actually it is anti-clockwise. Here clockwise. So these are the 2 differences in odd or even, old or new systems of counting the number of carbons in the ring. So this is the chemical structure of nucleic acid materials. The part of each nucleotide which contains a nitrogenous base and deoxyribose is called as deoxyribonucleoside. and where only ribose is there, then it is ribonucleosides, RNA we can say. And the four kinds of deoxyribonucleosides, nucleosides and nucleotides are different. You see, deoxyribonucleosides and deoxynucleotides can be tabulated as follows. These are the ribonucleosides and ribonucleotides. How the DNA is formed? So four nitrogenous bases A, C, G and T and a nucleotides of DNA molecule. How these are formed? So adenine have base pair plus deoxyribose is equal to deoxyribonucleosides. This is nucleoside and this is nucleotide. So nucleosides are formed by forming base pair and deoxyribose. So deoxyadenosine, deoxyadenilic acid. Why the name is adenilic acid? Because it has deoxyadenosine monophosphate is there. So deoxyribonucleoside, this is nucleoside, plus phosphate sugar is attached to it, or phosphoric acid is attached to that, and in this way the deoxyribonucleotides are formed. Means if we will add a sugar to deoxyribonucleoside, it will be deoxyribonucleotide. So deoxyribonucleotide is formed here, and its abbreviation is DAMP, or we can say deoxyadenilic adenosine monophosphate. Second is guanine. This is also deoxyguanosine. Base pair and deoxyribose is joined and form deoxyguanosine. And if we will add phosphate sugar in deoxyguanosine, then deoxyguanilic acid will be formed, and this is abbreviated as DGMP, means deoxyguanilic GMP. Adenosine monophosphate, guanosine monophosphate, and here cytosine monophosphate. This is third is cytosine, symbolized as C, and its a base pair and deoxyribose to form deoxycytidine type of nucleoside. And if we will add sugar, phosphate sugar plus, then it will form deoxycytidilic acid, or we can say deoxycytidine monophosphate. So CMP, that is D, deoxyadenilic. In this way the names are symbolized to them. And finally thymine is simple thymidine and thymidinic acid, or thymidine monophosphate, or we can say TM, simple thymidinic monophosphate. So these are the four nitrogen bases. These are the deoxyribonucleosides and these are the deoxyribonucleotides, and these are the symbols. This is simple way. There may be a question in the examination. You have to solve this by these labels or by these names. The four deoxyribonucleotides, these are these. Besides occurring in DNA molecule, occur also in nucleoplasm and cytoplasm. Not only present in DNA, but they are also in nucleus and cytoplasm. But in their triphosphate forms, such as deoxyadenosine triphosphate or DATP, deoxyguanosine triphosphate or DGTP, deoxycytidinic triphosphate DCTP, and thymidinic triphosphate TTP. So these are in triphosphate structure. Here is monophosphate, adenosine monophosphate, guanosine monophosphate, cytosine monophosphate, and thymidine monophosphate. Here these are the mono, we can say mono group is there, monophosphate group is there. Here triphosphate group is there because they are not present in DNA. In DNA these are monophosphate, and in cytoplasm and nucleus triphosphate. This is the simple difference among these all. And the significance of occurrence of deoxyribonucleotides in triphosphate forms lies in the fact that during DNA replication, the DNA polymerase enzyme can act only on triphosphate of deoxyribonucleotides, and therefore these are in the triphosphate form, lies in the DNA. Next is RNA, ribonucleic acids. Some plant viruses, example TMV, then turnip yellow mosaic virus, then wound tumor viruses, etc. Then animal viruses like influenza viruses, then foot and mouth viruses, Rogue sarcoma viruses, poliomyelitis viruses, reoviruses, etc. Or we can say retroviruses is also the word there. Example HIV is the retrovirus, and bacteriophages, example MS2, etc. So certain ribonucleic acids or RNA as their genetic material like DNA, RNA is a polymeric nucleic acid of 4 monomeric ribotids or ribonucleotides, or we can say ribonucleotides. So this is the group simple structure of ribonucleic acid, and these are the examples. Now each ribonucleotide contains a pentose sugar, we can say D-ribose, a molecule of phosphate group, and a nitrogen base. The nitrogen bases of RNA are 2 purines, adenine and guanine, and 2 pyrimidines, cytosine and uracil. So these are the nitrogen base structures of RNA. So instead of thymine, there is uracil in DNA. This is a simple difference. And the 4 bases of ribonucleotides and ribonucleosides and tides of RNA can be tabulated as like DNA. This is the 4 components of RNA: adenine, guanine, cytosine, and uracil. Instead of thymine, uracil is there in DNA. So ribonucleosides are adenosine, guanosine, cytidine, and uridine, because they are single structured, they are double structured, or double ringed, single ringed. We have seen in. So in ribonucleotides, this is ribonucleosides. What will happen? Only phosphate sugar is added, adenosine monophosphate. This is only adenosine. Here is adenosine monophosphate, guanosine monophosphate, cytosine monophosphate, and uridine monophosphate simply. But these are named by adenilic acid, guanilic acid, cytidilic acid, and uridylic acid. As per the name are given, these are acid groups, because nucleotides are acid groups and nucleosides are alkaline groups simply. Abbreviation for ribonucleotides are AMP, GMP, CMP, and UMP. Adenosine monophosphate, guanosine monophosphate, cytosine monophosphate, and uracil monophosphate. This is the simple structure of RNA. So we have seen the basic arrangement of DNA and RNA. So chemical structure or formula of D-ribose is in this is a pentose ring, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and second uracil, here is hexane ring is there, here pentane and here hexane. So these are the 5 and 6 carbon numbers, or we can say molecules are arranged there too. The 4 ribonucleotides also occur freely in nucleoplasm, but in the form of triphosphates of ribonucleosides such as adenosine triphosphate ATP and uridine triphosphate UTP. So these are the triphosphate molecules, and in actually they form monophosphates. Now this was the basic structure. Second, Watson and Crick model of DNA. Watson and Crick, these are the two scientists. They have made a great discovery in the field of molecular biology, and for that they are awarded with Nobel Prize. You see, they received Nobel Prize for the discovery of this double-stranded DNA molecule in 1962. They have shown that the names are James Watson and Francis Crick. Watson and Crick in 1953 proposed a convincing model for the structure of DNA to explain the arrangement of molecules in DNA, and they received for that Nobel Prize. So what they do, Watson and Crick model of DNA is characterized by the following features. So what are the features they have described in DNA? That are: one, DNA is a macromolecule, not micro, macromolecule with a molecular weight of 5 to 10 million. 5 to 10 million, we say it is calculated, it is counted or measured in Daltons. DNA is made up of two long chains or two long strands, and each chain is made up of number of repeating units or monomers called as nucleotides. So we have seen now what are the nucleotides and what are the nucleosides. Hence, each chain is called as polynucleotide chain. Therefore, we call it as the DNA is a polynucleotide chain. Thus, DNA is made up of two polynucleotide chains. We will see in the figure. In these are the two strands, double-stranded DNA. This is the central axis of DNA. In this, from here, this is the first round from here, this is the second round from here. So this one turn is of 3 to 5 nanometer in size, or we can say 10.5 BP, and this is major groove. This is the groove inside. This is the major groove of this complete turn, and this is the minor groove. The second groove is minor groove, first groove is major groove. This is the major groove. मोठी गुहा ही छोटी गुहा डीएनएच्या स्ट्रक्चर मधली किंवा रचनेमधली. हा मोठा मोकळा भाग, हा लहान मोकळा भाग, त्यांना म्हटलंय मेजर ग्रूव आणि मायनर ग्रूव. आणि याच्यामध्ये ज्या काय बेस पेअर्सची अरेंजमेंट आहे, न्यूक्लियोसाइड्स न्यूक्लियोटाइड्सची, या दोघांमधलं अंतर 0.34 नॅनोमीटर एवढं आहे. त्यानंतर या सेंट्रल ॲक्सिस पासून तर डीएनएच्या कर्वच्या टर्निंगपर्यंतचे अंतर 1 नॅनोमीटर आहे, एवढं छोटं आहे. आणि हे जे काही चार दाखवले 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 हे अल्टरनेट कलरचे आहेत, फिकट डार्क. ते ॲक्च्युली कलरमध्ये रेड येलो ग्रीन असे आहेत, आणि ते या 4 पट्ट्याने दाखवले आहेत. ॲडेनोसिन, थायमिन, सायटोसिन आणि ग्वानिन अशी अरेंजमेंट असते यांची. तर एका ॲडेनोसिन, थायमिन, ॲडेनोसिन अशी अल्टरनेट जोडी असते. सायटोसिन, ग्वानिन, सायटोसिन अशी अल्टरनेट जोडी असते. या पद्धतीने अल्टरनेट जोड्या या डीएनएमध्ये सेट केलेल्या असतात. आणि टोटल डीएनएची थिकनेस 2 नॅनोमीटर असते. आणि या 2 स्ट्रँडमधली 2 बेस पेअरमधलं अंतर 0.34 नॅनोमीटर असतं. आणि एक पूर्ण सर्कल, एक पूर्ण ट्विस्ट 3.4 नॅनोमीटरच्या टर्नची असते. अशा पद्धतीने हे डीएनएच्या स्ट्रक्चर असते. आणि हे जर का तुम्हाला मॅग्निफाय करायचं असतं केमिकल याच्यामध्ये, केमिकल भाषेमध्ये, तर बघा हे 2 न्यूक्लियोटाइड्सना एक फॉस्फेट शुगरने जोडलं आहे. इथे फॉस्फेट शुगर आहे बघा प्रत्येक ठिकाणी, इकडे पण फॉस्फेट शुगर आहे. हे डीऑक्सिरायबोज आहे. These are the deoxyribose group, these are the phosphate groups, and these are the base pairs, and these together form the nucleotides. And this is the nucleotide chain, this is another nucleotide chain, and both chains together form the DNA. This is very simple. And the pairing is one more thing to be noted here, that thymine and adenine or adenine and thymine is the pair always. One have binding side to another, one have binding side to another, and both are always in alternate forms present in every chain, whereas joined by a double bond. Whereas cytosine and guanine are here binded by triple bond, triple line, and alternate cytosine to guanine, guanine to cytosine is the alternate arrangement. This is the natural arrangement in the DNA strand of the base pairs and the basic structures. In this way, these two chains are joined, these two chains are run parallel, these two chains are in communication with each other, and they decide to work the physiological activities whichever is needed to be there in the picture, or we can say in the cell. The two polynucleotide chains are spirally coiled to form a double helix structure. Therefore, it is called as, this is the double helix structure. Two coils are there. Each nucleotide is formed of three components. We have already seen which are those. First is nitrogenous bases like adenosine, thymine, guanine. B, deoxyribose sugar, and third phosphoric acid, H3PO4 group, or we can say phosphate group, or we can say phosphate sugar. So these are the three major components of nucleotides. There are two kinds of nitrogenous bases in the DNA. Two nitrogenous bases are purines and pyrimidines. Purines and pyrimidines. Purines are double ringed nitrogenous compounds, and they are adenine and guanine. Adenine and guanine. Whereas pyrimidines are single ringed structures or single ringed nitrogenous bases, and they are normally cytosine and thymine. Cytosine and thymine are CT are single ringed and AG are double ringed. These are the purines and these are the pyrimidines. So these are the bases, and there is a single type of sugar in DNA called as deoxyribose sugar. There are no varieties of sugar, only one sugar, deoxyribose, is present. It is a pentose sugar, or we can say carbon 5 ring is there. There is a phosphate group in the form of phosphoric acid, generally called as H3PO4 in the DNA, and a nitrogenous bases or base and a deoxyribose sugar combine to form a nucleoside, and if we add a sugar phosphate, it is nucleotide. So there are four types of nucleosides in DNA, and they are adenine plus deoxyribose sugar, or bases plus deoxyribose sugar, and called as adenosine. This is the nucleoside. And adenosine monophosphate will be nucleotide. If phosphate sugar is added here, it will be nucleotide. So this is guanine plus deoxyribose sugar, it will form guanosine. Likewise, cytosine plus deoxyribose sugar, it is cytidine. And thymine plus deoxyribose sugar will form thymidine. So these are the deoxyribose sugar containing groups. And if we will add phosphate groups, it will convert into nucleotides. So this is about the basic structure. Now further we will see in the next lecture. So till then, okay, see you. Bye.